folks, my name's Mandy Schneider and I'm a certified health coach and Zumba instructor. I now offer health and wellness webinars, a time for us all to take a break from work, unwind, and recharge. Maybe you want to know about healthy, easy food prep for when you're stuck at a desk, or stretches and exercises to help with tension in the neck and back, or relaxation techniques to combat stress. Here are a couple clips to give you an idea of what's possible. Unfortunately, many of us who are sitting at a desk tend to slouch, our shoulders roll forward. So I'm just going to do a couple stretches and exercises with you to help release that, okay? Roll to one side. Good. Roll to the other side. Breathe. 2. Good. 3. Right? So you're gonna sit on the edge of your chair. Shoulders go back. Chest goes forward.
Hopefully you're able to relax without a screen and really enjoy your lunch. Can anyone do that? Can you enjoy your lunch? Oh, no? Okay. Anybody here batch cooking?
No.
No?
What's that?
Okay. Well, cool. Well, that's when you can prep food.
One tip that's really helped my clients and myself is drinking more water throughout the day. And if you're bored of water, feel free to infuse it with strawberries or cucumbers. Be creative. Have your own spa day. You pick something that's bothering you specifically. For the sake of just learning the exercise, I'm going to go ahead and pick anxiety. Once again, I'm going to use very general language just to guide you through the process. And you could just repeat after me. It's okay to let this go. I am not my stress. And release. Open your eyes if they were closed.
We're going to do a little game, if you don't mind. It's called Which is Healthier, Hummus or Guacamole?
Please be guac.
Please
be guacamole.
Bring it,
be
please.
guacamole. Trick question. It's
They're
a
the same.
tie.
Yes.
Wow.
It's a tie.
Yay.
So as you can see, similar calories, similar fiber.
So these can be done at home with whatever you have in the house, whether it's a chair like this, the arm of a couch, or maybe your desk. This really helps because our glutes tend to collapse when we're seated at a desk all day long. Once it's crushed, chopped, or chewed, it releases many nutrients, one of them being vitamin C. Now the best way to eat garlic is raw, and due to the 6 feet rule, no one will smell ya. Maybe